This is the Rokrou battery power pruner, and it's a game changer as far as I'm concerned. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. In my opinion, this thing's pretty awesome. We got carbon steel blades, brushless motor. Let me show you what you get with this, and I'll do a demo on it, and I'll clear out my easement. Set of instructions to show you some stuff you're gonna need to know. A little bit of a lightweight charger. You get two 21-volt batteries that come with this, spare set of blades, 2 Allen wrenches, a wrench, and a whetstone for sharpening the blades, and everything stores away neatly in the case. Just want to point out too, be very careful when you use this, because once you press this button, there's no going back. This thing's about 11 inches long without a battery on it, and it's about 12 inches long with the battery. The blade span is about almost 2 inches wide. Just to give you an idea of the width of these blades, this is a 1/2 inch dowel rod right here, and you can see it would cut that no problem at all. Pretty simple. You just throw the battery in there. It's got an on-off switch on here. Turn it to the on position, it beeps, little green light comes on, until it's working. You've got to activate it. It won't just go on its own. You got to press the trigger a couple times, it beeps, it activates, and that's simple. Oh boy, this is fun. If you've got arthritis and you're constantly pulling with your hands on a pruner, this is totally a game changer. Nice handle on here, good grip. Weight-wise, this thing weighs about 2 pounds without the battery, 2 pounds, 12 ounces with the battery. Look at that. That'll do it. If you've got lubricating oil, you can actually, there's a lubrication point right in here. You can hit it. Makes it easy to do. All right, let's go chop some stuff. Little angle in there. Another angle cut. Wow.